Is there any symbol more magical of the holiday season than a gingerbread house? That perfect little cottage, with its snowy roof and candy-filled garden, feels like a piece of a storybook come to life. But the journey from a box of flat pieces to that perfect confection can feel daunting.
So that's the base. So the base is there.
Zoe, that's for the chimney.
The base is
Zoe,
there. Look at what we actually
It
did.
has a chimney.
So these are the sides. These are the two sides. Yeah?
But Daddy, you can decorate it however you want. You don't.
We've not even finished it. You need to know what to do, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we're doing.
Those are
isn't
the
it?
windows. These are. That's the.
So we keep it here so we can be having a look. So, oh my god, this thing is so. We need to open here. Okay, so I think the first thing they did was to glue the edges, right?
Yeah, glue the edges.
I think we need that because it's not up to the end. We need that, yeah. So
It's working really well.
I hope so.
Well, I'm not that good, but it's working well.
First, let's talk about your single most important tool, the royal icing. Forget everything you think you know about frosting. When building a gingerbread house, your icing isn't a spread, it's your cement. The key is stiffness. You need a royal icing that holds a sharp peak. If it's too runny, your walls will slide and your roof will collapse. When assembling, pipe a thick line of icing along the base of your wall, set it in place, and then hold it for a full 60 seconds. Don't just let go, you're giving that cement time to set. Do this for all 4 walls, and you've created a rock-solid foundation that won't budge. A strong foundation makes everything that follows not just easier, but more fun.
So you have to put it here so there's a little gap there.
So put it on the outside, yeah?
Yeah, like that. I don't know why, but I think that part's from that is at well, it's actually not.
This is hard work.
I don't know, Daddy. You did such a great job there. Yeah.
Thank you for the encouragement because I was going to cry now.
But laughing at him is not encouragement, Zoe. Oh yeah. Good job. That's just bullying. You really call that bullying? Yeah. But that was good. You made the rest stick. At least.
This is hard work. Kids can't do this, they're going to mess it up. Even me as an adult helping out, it's really messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there you have it. What started as a collection of simple ingredients is now a festive centerpiece, built to last the entire season. Remember, it all comes down to 2 things: a strong foundation with your royal icing cement, and patient sectional decoration.
So what you guys are going to do next, yeah?
Yeah.
There are lots of decorations. Look, if you look at the decorations, yeah? So you are going to, some of you are going to, these are decorations, this here.
It said we can do loops on the
Look.
gingerbread.
These are going to stick on the gingerbread. So I'll just do some loops, yeah? Okay, you can do it. But don't knock it over because this thing is finished.
Me and Zoe are going to take turns.
See, you do stuff like this. In fact, we should. Anyway. So, you first.
It's so small. Or we could do it like that. Look how small it is compared to its head.
Just do it gently. Use light ones, okay?
Okay, so we don't waste it all.
Yeah, because it's going to finish. So, what you can now do, when you're sticking these decorations, yeah? Do it gently.
Okay.
Don't, if you press too hard, it's going to fall. It's still drying, okay?
Okay.
So, yeah. Okay, so Bernice, you can be fixing that while Zoe does this, and later Zoe will join you making it look. Yeah, let me show you what to do. So I'm going to tighten here, yeah?
You want to fight?
To make sure it does not open up on this side, but it's going to pour away. So all you need to do is you press here while you're holding here like this, okay? Gently. Be careful.
Okay.
All done. Denise, if you're doing this, why don't you come this way?
This is more than just a holiday craft. It's a memory you're building, a story you can literally taste. So gather your ingredients, embrace the little imperfections, and create some magic. Now go build something wonderful.